Creating and selling NFTs using AI is one of the most exciting ways to generate passive income online in 2025. With tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, it's now easier than ever to produce stunning, original artwork with just a few simple prompts. These AI-generated visuals can then be turned into NFTs, non-fungible tokens, giving them both uniqueness and real market value. But how do you actually do this step by step, and more importantly, how do you make money from it? That's what we'll explore right now. First, you'll need an AI image generator. Midjourney is one of the most popular tools, accessible via Discord. You simply type in a creative prompt, and within seconds, it generates beautiful, stylized images. For example, you could enter something like cyberpunk cat playing chess in neon Tokyo, and Midjourney will create something visually stunning and totally unique. Once you're happy with the result, you download the image and prepare it for minting. Now it's time to turn your AI art into an NFT. The easiest platform to do this is OpenSea. First, you need to set up a crypto wallet. Most creators use MetaMask. It's a free browser extension and takes just a few minutes to set up. Once your wallet is active, head to OpenSea, connect your wallet, and click on Create. Here you upload your AI artwork, give it a title, description, and set your royalty percentage, usually 5 to 10%. Then click Mint. Congratulations, you've just created your first NFT. But creating the NFT is only half the story. If you want to sell it, you need visibility. Start by creating a collection with a consistent visual theme or concept, like futuristic animals, AI-generated fantasy characters, or abstract dreamscapes. Then promote your NFTs through Twitter, Discord groups, and NFT forums. You can also create behind-the-scenes content showing your AI process, which helps build trust and engagement. Pricing is important too. If you're just starting, keep prices low, 0.01 to 0.05 ETH, to attract early buyers. Once your collection gains traction, you can increase prices and even offer limited editions. Don't forget to enable royalties so that you earn a percentage every time your NFT is resold on the secondary market. This is where long-term passive income really starts to build. A powerful strategy is to combine storytelling with your NFTs. For example, you could create a short fictional background for each image. Maybe each character is part of a digital universe you've invented. This makes your collection more engaging and can increase its perceived value. People love to own pieces of a bigger story, and with AI, you can scale this faster than any manual process. In short, creating and selling AI-generated NFTs on OpenSea is not just a trend, it's a new kind of digital entrepreneurship. With zero upfront product cost and complete creative control, it's one of the most scalable business models right now. And if you combine AI creativity with smart marketing, you can build a passive income stream that keeps growing month after month.